Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha. And today I am back with another VIVAIA unboxing. If you haven't seen my previous VIVAIA videos, I will leave that in the description below or on top where the video cards are. And if you never heard of VIVAIA is a footwear brand that is committed to sustainability, comfortable, and stylish shoes. VIVAIA is all about sustainability. They're committed to using eco-friendly materials like recycled plastic water bottles when making their shoes. They have many different styles ranging from flats to boots to heeled and more. But yes, let's get started with the first unboxing. This is called VIVAIA. It is a round toe stretchy wool knee high boot. Actually, like if you saw what I took out earlier, I had this little cylinder around the wrapping of the calf area, so when they're packaging it, it doesn't really fold the ends. And I think that really shows how much a brand care about their products and their packaging. It's just the little things that really make it and break it when it comes to brand loyalty. So I really like how they're very careful about this part. So this is what the high knee boots look like. I got these in the color black. And like majority of the materials of VIVAIA shoes, the materials kind of remind me of a knitted sweater. This boot is actually made from heat retaining tech, which will keep you warm in the colder weather. So if you unfold this, you can see how thick this layer is. It looks thick, but if you see here, the material is actually pretty stretchy. And you can tell that I'm stretching it and it's like stretching with me. The boots are stretchable around the calf area, so it's perfect for all calf sizes and also makes it fit like a glove. You see on top of these boots, there's a small gold detailing here of VIVAIA's logo. I like how subtle it is, and I always appreciate a pop of gold. The boots come with a slight height. This is around 1.57 inches. The bottom is also anti-slip, so it wouldn't slip. Like I'm really trying to push it against my table. These are also water repellent, so I have a cup of water here, so let me test this out. Whoa, did you see that? It just slipped off. It's not, whoa, it's not even wet. The material is not wet at all. Wait, that is so cool. These boots also comes in different color, and they actually have different versions of these boots. There's one with a block heel, and that is called Gia, and there's another one that is more flexible where you can fold these down. These will look great in slim fitting pants or with a short skirt. Definitely good to layer up during the winter with these as well, on top of your jeans or on top of your pants. During Black Friday, these boots will actually be under $200. You can use my code bfsamantha to enjoy the exclusive Black Friday offer from November 13 to December 2. This is only online exclusive, and during this time, there will also be a bundle saving, meaning that the more you buy, the more money you save. So that's like girl math, you know? So one pair of shoes, you'll get 10% off, 2 pairs you get 20% off, 3 pairs you get 25% off, and then up to 4 pairs you get 30% off. So definitely a time to grab as much shoes as you like. For the next 2 boxes of shoes that I'm going to unbox is probably shoes that you've seen before if you watched my previous unboxing videos from VIVAIA. I like these shoes so much that I got them again, but in a different color. So let's start with the bigger box. These are the Regina Pros. It is their square toe water repellent block heel boots. Last time I got this in the black ruby red. This time I got it in the black cream color. So the cream color is on top and the black is on the bottom. These are also anti-slip outer soles, so it wouldn't slip when you're walking and wearing these heels. I love styling these for when I go into the office, but at the same time, they're so comfortable and stylish enough to wear it on my day-to-day when I'm out and about in the city. As you see here, there's 2 small toe tags. And for the heels, they're a block style. They're around 2.16 inches tall. And similar to the other boots, this is also water repellent. So of course, I need to test it again. So let's spill some water on these. And it slipped right off. Let me do another close-up. Oh my god, that's so cool. I'm making a mess. And for the last box, these are their best sellers. The square-toed Mary Janes are also called the Borget Mary Jane. I am so happy that I got my hands on these. I actually got these in the color black last time, and I was debating between the black one or the red one, but ended up getting the black one for safety. But now, after that, I realized I also really wanted the red ones. And you can see why it's so popular. Like, look how cute these are. I love how the red will bring a pop of color into my style. These are super, super comfortable that I needed to get another pair. If you see the insoles here, it's definitely cushioned, and then here also, behind the soles, there's also a little padding over here, so it doesn't really give you a blister. If you are interested in these shoes, I left links in the description below. And remember to use my code for exclusive Black Friday discounts. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!